Hello dear students of Practicum 6. I have this little space to share some ideas with you about our process. I know you have been working hard in the process. Some of you have already started the process and some of you even have finished the process. As you know, the process of the practicum implies two important things. First, to teach 32 hours with a group of students you selected, a group of adolescents or adults, and also to compile 16 hours of pedagogical support to the institution you selected. Within the 16 hours of the pedagogical assistance to the institution, you can count the hours of meetings, teachers' meetings, parents' meetings, if you accompany children or students during the breaks. Also, if you participate in special days like the English Day or other special days the institution might have, those are important times to count within the pedagogical assistance. Some recommendations that I have about the teaching practices are related to the approach and the methodologies you are using to teach teenagers and adults. Considering the lesson plans and the syllabus that you have sent to the virtual room, I see that you are extremely focused on grammar. I would like you to give a more communicative emphasis to your teaching practices. So, I mean, you need to revise the books, the readings that we did in the previous courses in didactics, in pedagogy and language teaching, to see all that great amount of methodologies we can use in teaching English. There are many ways, many methodologies, but the idea is to look for those more communicative. Remember that the idea is to engage learners with the practical use of the language within communicative context. It is not just to focus on grammar, on teaching vocabulary in isolation. I see that most of you are doing that, and I think that it is not really beneficial for our students. They need to see the real use of English. They need to be engaged with reading, with speaking, with listening, with other skills, but they need to see that what they learn is useful for doing something in the real world. As a matter of inviting you to discuss about these matters, I propose you to participate more actively in the forums that we have in the virtual room. There are some academic forums, and within each academic forum you have a couple of questions, then you have to read them and participate. Remember, the cooperative learning, it is important, but for that you need to present your comments, your point of view about the different situations, and also to read your partner's comments, ask questions, correct if necessary to your partner's comments, etc., etc. Remember that you can contact me through the virtual room and also through my email at any time. So have a nice time, and I expect you continue doing things well during the second term.